Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. I just wanted to pop on with a quick video because we've got a great new update that will help dramatically speed up your design process. So if you've been with Design Files for a little while now, you probably have loads of beautiful mood board designs that you've created for clients. And you could be repurposing and reusing those designs for future client projects so that you can speed up your process, complete your designs in half the time. You could even be using some of these designs for social media posts so that you can promote your business. So it's a great resource that you have, but what we wanted to do is give you a way to organize that resource by room, by style, by any other keyword you want, so that you can quickly pull up individual designs and then add those to future client projects to use as a starting point. So what we've done is we've built in a template library for you. And this is where you're going to be able to save all of your favorite mood board designs that you want to keep repurposing over and over and over again. And it's also a location that all of your team members can access as well. So if you have certain designs or certain layouts that you would like them to use for the mood board designs, this is a great way for them to just quickly grab one of these designs, add it to a project, and then they can sub out a few key items and then just quickly get this design out to another client. So let's take a specific design board and we'll use it as an example. Let's say I was working on this design board right here. And I really like the overall layout of this design. I want to be able to repurpose this for future client projects. And I also want my team to be able to access this as well. So what I can do is I can go into the button with the three dots here and I can copy this design. I can add this design to my template library right here. So we're just going to click that, and then the system's going to go ahead and add it to the template library. So if I go back to my projects page and into templates, it's going to show this brand new design. Now, if you really want to make good use of this library so that you can quickly filter it down and find specific design boards, you want to have a naming convention for all the designs that you add here. So you can see that my naming convention is basically starting with the style followed by the room. And I do it for every design board that I add. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to update the name of this design board so it follows that same naming convention. And we'll just go with maybe modern glam. So once I've done that, I can come back to my templates on a whole. And the nice thing about having that naming convention is that now I can just pull up specific boards, or specific styles or specific rooms. So let's say I'm working on a living room project. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to put living room into the search field here, and it's going to filter down to all my living room designs. I could also go by style. So maybe I'm working on a farmhouse bathroom. I'm going to go ahead and look for farmhouse. And it's going to pull up all the designs I have under farmhouse. So it's a great way for you and all of your team members to filter down and make great use of these designs that you've already created. A number of them could be cases where you might feel that this particular design is going to work equally as well in your new client's home, and you're just going to sub out a few key items and get that design out quickly to the new client. So if you really want to start making better use of all the design boards that you've created, this feature is now available in our new eDesign and full service plans. So if you can pop on over to our plans page, you're going to see a detailed breakdown of what's included within each plan, and you can then choose which plan is the best fit for you based on the tools that are available within them. And of course, if you have any questions whatsoever, just reach out on the live chat. We're happy to help.